Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about how to reset a Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, including how to factory reset using the Samsung Wearable app, then how to factory reset using the Galaxy Watch, and how to soft reset using the watch as well. I'll explain the step-by-step process. Please keep watching this video. First of all, here I am going to explain how to factory reset Galaxy Watch with your phone. For this first step is place the watch near your phone and make sure watch is on and connected to the via Bluetooth. Open the Samsung Wearable app on your phone and select the watch settings. Scroll down and select General. After that, scroll down and select Reset. Select Reset to confirm. Here I am going to tell about how to factory reset Galaxy Watch 4 from the watch. You can also factory reset Galaxy Watch 4 directly from the watch. For this, first step is from the main watch face, drag down, select settings, scroll down and select general, scroll down and select reset, select reset, your watch will immediately reset. Here I tell about how do I soft reset my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. For the first step is press and hold both buttons on your Galaxy Watch 4. Select turn off. Wait for the watch to turn off. Press and hold the power home button until watch turns back on. Here I tell about how to soft reset on my Samsung Galaxy 4 watch from the quick panel. For the first step is on the main with face. Swipe down to access quick panel. Select the power icon. Select turn off. Wait for the watch to turn off. Press and hold the power home button until watch turns back on. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is helpful. It's really helpful. Please share this video, like this video and subscribe my channel.